are we here?
We are here to grow crops.
Oh, we are farming. Okay, what we do on farming?
We grow crops. We grow crops.
Oh, sweet potato. But do you know how are we going to plant? I think your teacher might have shared with you, right, Hongfu?
Yes.
Yeah. How? So what did he say? How you will plant this plants?
So it's just basically just using the soil. And once you got the soil, you just put the seed. After the seed, just water it.
Okay, and then?
And then you have to wait for days until it goes bigger and bigger.
Very good. Good job, Hongfu. Wonderful. But over there, you shared that first we need to plant the seed. But here, it's going to be different. How? You are going to plant the stem with leaves. That's the way sweet potatoes grow. It's going to be a bit different. Okay? So we are going to do 3 things. Can you see the 3? Actually, there are like 4 rows there. Can you see that? The first one, there are 2 girls who are going to present what are sweet potatoes, how are we going to do, how we are going to plant, okay? And the next one, you will see how they are growing. Third will be our work to take them out the real big potato, okay? After that, we are going to have farm to the table. So that's going to be, we are going to eat the potato. Are you excited?
Yes.
Very good. So first we will go and we will see what the 2 girls are going to present there. Okay? Can we all go? Right? Let's go. Come. In one straight line. Yeah, follow in one straight line. Go. Very yummy. But you have to take it out. Only we can cook it. Okay? Yeah. Come on. You all are going to plant. Let's be dirty, okay, today? Okay, guys, we all are going to plant today. Okay, so how the sweet potatoes are growing? Yes, sir. It's over there. Okay, can we start?
Today we will tell you how a sweet potato grows. It is very easy and you can also do it at home with your family. Sweet potato grows to split. A single sweet potato can grow literally dozens of sweet potato slips, enough to fill a large garden with plants. It takes 2 weeks to sprout a sweet potato in ideal conditions. A bit of sunlight also helps, especially once the sprouts start to form. Let's plant.